Sending campaigns is important, but tracking your credit score is just as important. With Billing Summary, you can review credit usage, SMS logs, voice logs, AI logs, and recharge credits all from one place. In this video today, we'll go over the Billing Summary module inside Cronysoft's BackOffice. To begin, go to the CRM, then click the Billing Summary, or you could use the Smart Search instead. Once the Billing Summary page opens, you will see the selected date range at the top. You can use the filter button to choose a specific start and end date. This helps you review billing activity for the exact time period you need. The Billing Summary page includes different tabs such as Credit Summary, SMS Logs, Voice Logs, and AI Logs. Each tab shows a different type of credit or communication activity. The first tab is Credit Summary. This section shows the credit purchase or recharge history. Here you can review information such as applied date, credit applied, and billing amount. This helps you see when credits were actually added to the account, how many credits were applied, and how much was billed. At the bottom, you can also review the total billing amount for the selected date range. Next is the SMS Logs. This section shows SMS activity sent through the system. The table includes information such as SMS from, SMS to, message, username, origin name, status, date and time, message type, and click status. This is useful when you want to confirm if SMS messages were sent, check which customer's number received the message, review the message type, and see whether a customer clicked or read the link when applicable. Next is Voice Logs. Voice Logs shows activity for voice communications. Here you can review fields such as voice from, the voice to, voice message, username, origin name, charges, and date and time. This helps track voice call activity and related usage from the selected time period. Up ahead, we have AI Logs. AI Log shows activity related to AI credit usage. This section may include information such as date created, log type, description, credit charge, file name, total pages, and username. For example, if AI was used for a purchase order document scan, the AI log section can show the document scan entry, file name, page count, credit charge, and the user who processed it. This helps managers review how AI credits are being used in the back office. Just like in Cart and Reward dashboard, Billing Summary also includes a recharge option. Click the recharge to add more credits to the account. The system will show available credit packages. Select the package you want to purchase. For example, you may see packages such as credit bundles with bonus credits included. After selecting a package, continue to the checkout screen. On the checkout screen, you can review the order summary, including the selected credit package and total amount. Then select the payment method. You may have options such as card or bank transfer. If a payment method is already saved, you can select it and continue. If not, you may need to add a payment account before completing the recharge. Once everything is ready, you can then click Checkout to complete the credit recharge. And that's how you use Billing Summary inside Cronysoft's back office. You can review credit summary, SMS logs, voice logs, AI logs, filter by date, search records, export reports, and recharge credits directly from this page. And that's all from me today on the Billing Summary tutorial. I'll see you guys over in our next video.